everyone, Jacqueline here. So I just wanted to do a quick video on what's in stock for fall plants. And we are at Home Depot, and if you're looking for chrysanthemums and some fall colors, look no further than Home Depot. The plants are nice and fresh. The buds are tight on the chrysanthemums. We got a really nice variety of colors. We also have fall asters, which are just gorgeous. You can see, I'm not going to move these plants. Tons of bees on them, and they're just beautiful in a nice purple, and then more of a magenta. Really gorgeous. And these are like $9.99. And then over here we have more mums, and they are $6.48. That's not bad for a container. And these are the beautiful two-tone golden color you can see here. And then we have some more yellows, and then of course the purples. And then there's a white. So let's go inside and let's see what else they got for fall plants. They have some nice arrangements here. $19.98 for fall plants. I am really loving it with the grasses in them this year. I mean, the color doesn't do this justice on camera, but look at the nice complementary colors in this one. Lots of whites and purples. Purple's definitely in for fall. We still have petunias and stuff for fall arrangements. But look at these beautiful asters. Here they are again, $9.98. Look at the color combos. Over here, they have some nice containers of the mums, $19.98. Really beautiful colors, and the containers are definitely worth keeping. They have that wood barrel or whiskey barrel feel to them. Look at the colors in this one. I think it's splendid, but when you buy these, you want to buy them like this with the buds not open. This one's fully open. It's not going to last as long, but it's splendid just the same. Also, here's some other combinations that they have. Just beautiful. You can enjoy them now, open or wait. The yellows, these are $8.48. I particularly like the red tones. Look at that coloring. Isn't that beautiful? And then of course, more of the purples. Just really nice. So definitely check out Home Depot if you're looking for mums. I know a lot of people plant them for their fall arrangements, and they're definitely beautiful. And just be selective in how you pick your plants. I know I've shared a few tips with people prior to this video on how to select these so that they last them the longest possible time. Thanks everybody.